behind City Hall in Owen Sound with Gord Sturm of Windsong Horse and Carriage. And Gord, what are we about to do here?
Well, we're about to start another lovely night down at the Christmas lights here at Owen Sound.
So you can definitely walk around the Festival of Northern Lights?
Yes, absolutely. It's awesome. Whether you're walking or riding, driving, the lights are definitely something to see.
And we're about to take a horse and carriage, which is another wonderful perspective of this, and with the tour guide as well. So
absolutely.
Let's get going.
Where have you folks come from tonight?
Tara.
From Tara. That's great. Well, this is the 24th year for the Festival of Lights. This little village that's coming up here has many replicas of buildings in Owen Sound, both past and present.
It's also pretty relaxing though, like it's going back a couple steps and just taking a breath and appreciating what's here.
Absolutely.
Instead of rushing through.
Absolutely, and that's something about this display is that it is done all by volunteers, and everything has been donated to the Festival of Lights. Now, if you're walking the lights, folks, there's a nice lower path here. It takes you down right into the heart of all the displays. And every display has a lot of detail to it. I go around here many times in a season and I still see things that I never noticed before.